How to clear cache and data of Messenger app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear cache and data of Messenger app. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device, or you can just go to settings on your device. Go to settings. Here, scroll down and tap on general right here. Now scroll down and you'll see iPhone storage right here. Tap on iPhone storage. You scroll down until you see Messenger. You can see Messenger right here. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can see Offload app right here. Just tap on Offload app. Again, tap on Offload app. In this way, you can just tap on Offload app and clear the data or clear storage like this. This will log you out and reset the app to default settings, so you need to log in again. Now once you go to Messenger, you'll need to install it again like this. Once it's installed, open the app and log into it, and that's it. This is how you can clear cache on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.